Hello, listeners. Welcome to this brand new podcast episode. I'm Jessica, today's host. Is your garage door troubling you a lot in recent times? Get the repair done by Adams Garage Doors LLC and get rid of the everyday annoyance. They are a renowned company in Woodbridge to offer all-inclusive services related to garage doors. All their technicians are qualified, trained, and offer a variety of modern garage door systems with advanced facilities. Plus, they also provide same-day garage door repair services and are focused to satisfy each client. Moreover, keeping the rates affordable, they use only the best material to make the doors strong and durable. For more details, visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com. Talk to their expert directly at 703-623-3676. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.